Imagine walking into a room where everyone is talking about the future of sales in 2026. The buzzword? AI. But here's the reality check. Too many operators are still treating AI as a shiny new tool rather than the backbone of their business infrastructure. We're diving into the heart of this misconception today. AI is not just a tool, it's an architectural shift in how we think about systems and automation. If you're still viewing it as a convenience rather than leverage, you're missing the point. Now let's get into the nitty gritty. Automation is often sold as a magical solution to save time and cut costs. But the truth is, it's leverage, not a shortcut. It's about creating systems that remove human dependency, not just reducing headcount. Most businesses misuse AI because they focus on the tool rather than the system it supports. They buy the latest software, expecting it to fix everything, only to find themselves tangled in a web of poorly integrated solutions. The problem isn't the AI itself, it's how it's implemented and sequenced within the existing structure. Consider this. AI should serve as decision architecture, not just software. Think of it as the skeleton that supports your entire operation. When AI is correctly integrated, it reduces mental load, decision fatigue, and the resentment that comes from constantly firefighting instead of strategizing. But when it's not, it becomes just another layer of complexity that exhausts your team. Let's talk about where automation succeeds. Picture a sales team that uses AI to analyze customer data in real time, providing insights that drive personalized engagement. This isn't about replacing human touch, it's about enhancing it. Automation should free your people to focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals. But where does it fail? When businesses slap AI onto outdated processes without first rethinking their systems, it's like trying to run a marathon in flip flops. The foundation must be solid before you add speed. Here's a critical truth: most operators aren't failing because they lack intelligence or effort. They're overwhelmed because they're holding too much in their heads that should live in systems. This hidden cost of bad systems is immense. It's not just about wasted time, it's about the mental toll of constant context switching and decision fatigue. When systems work, everything feels different. There's clarity, focus, and a sense of control. But when they don't, it's chaos. So, what happens if you ignore this topic for another year? Your business risks stagnation. The market is moving fast, and those who don't adapt will be left behind. AI and automation aren't optional upgrades, they're essential evolutions. The key is not to chase the latest tool, but to build a system where AI acts as the infrastructure that supports and scales your business. In closing, if you take one thing away from today, let it be this: rethink how AI and automation fit into your business. It's not about the technology itself, it's about the decisions it enables and the clarity it brings. Look at your systems critically. Are they supporting your growth or are they holding you back? The future of sales in 2026 isn't about more tools, it's about smarter systems. Make sure you're building the latter.